This is our Biko, guys. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Hello everyone! Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good evening to all of you out there. So, for those who are new to my channel, hello po. Welcome po kayo sa aking munting tahanan. So, in today's video, gagawa tayo ng kakanin. So, ito po yung version ko ng paggawa ng biko. So, kung gusto niyo po siyang mapanood at gusto niyo pong itry ang ating biko, manood lang. Here are the ingredients. So, I have here the glutinous rice. We have coconut milk. We have brown sugar. And we are going to use a pinch of salt as well. And this is just the empty pot for cooking our rice. So, what we're gonna do, so, meron ako ditong 3 cup ng glutinous rice. So, meron ako ditong 2 cup ng coconut milk. Kasi gusto ko, so, you are going to cook your glutinous rice as normal na pagluto nyo ng inyong kanin. So, mas konti lang yung ilalagay ninyong tubig para hindi siya masyadong basa. So, iluluto ko lang to, itong ating glutinous rice, inipapakita ko na sa inyo kung yung susunod na step. So, yun lang guys. Mamaya ulit, babalikan ko kayo mamaya-maya. So, na siya guys. Luto na yung ating kanin. So, ito na yan siya. Hindi siya yung masyadong lutong-luto. Siya guys, kasi hindi siya masyadong luto. And then I'm just gonna put just a little bit of milk. Konti lang naman na na coconut milk. Just to melt, because I already cooked the glutinous rice with coconut milk, so it should be fine. I'm just using this technique just to melt the sugar. So, yan siya guys, na-melt na yung ating sugar sa konting coconut milk. So, we are going to put the glutinous rice. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating glutinous rice. And we're just gonna mix it. So, yan siya guys. Makunat na yung ating biko. So, this is ready. So, yan siya guys. Ready na siya. So, we are gonna transfer it into a dish. So, babalikan natin to. And then, we're just gonna dip our hand into coconut oil and just spread this one up. Wala kasi ako guys maliit na dish. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Mainit siya, so just you have to be very careful. So, ilalagay lang natin dito as a toppings. Ayan. But by the way, guys, I'm using the fresh coconut milk here. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo how I did it dahil mahirap siya. Manual. Manual ang ginawa ko. The coconut here, they are like really small like this. So I have to use like about 5, I think that's 5 small one. And there is the meron naman nakalata guys, kaso lang ayoko kasi ng nakalata na paggawa ng latik. Yan siya guys. So there we go, our Biko. So this is our Biko guys. Look at this, how beautiful is that? So masarap siya to guys. So that's it guys. Ayan guys, so dito na tayo nagtatapos at ako'y pagod na. Yung aking lipstick ay nagkalat-kalat na. Ayan, so tapos na ako magluto ng ating Biko. And syempre, maglilinis na tayo. Yun ang pinakamahirap na part, ang maglinis. Okay lang sa akin na magluto guys. Kahit magluto ako ng the whole day, okay lang. Pero yung maglinis talaga guys, yun yung pinakamahirap na gawin. Yun yung pinakamahirap na part. So yun, so I'm just gonna enjoy our Biko here. And yes, so that's it for now guys. So hope you guys give this recipe a try. You can adjust how sweet or how, you can adjust how sweet is it, because mine, they are just okay, but you can basically try, you can actually make it more sweeter, your choice. So yun guys, so sana magustuhan nyo tong recipe na to, and if you do, give this one a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe with my channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
You